Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Realme 9 smartphone, and in this video we're going to show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first of all, let's open up the Google Play Store. Here at the search bar we will type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, we gotta click on this green install button that is located in front of the Opera application itself. And now we'll just wait for the app to get downloaded and installed. As you can see now, it will not take a lot of time, so we'll just wait. After that, we can go ahead and open up the Opera. Here we will be required to, well, set up some first launch stuff. Like, we can choose whether we want the AL plugin to be enabled from the start or skip it and leave this decision for later. In my case, I'll enable AL plugin, enable checker plugin, and skip the step when I can set the Opera as my default browser. Here I'll click on allow, and we are all set already. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye!